Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight we're going to do an unboxing from the Diamond Art Club. This is called Leopard Watercolor, and this is what it'll look like once it's completed. So there is the thumbnail. It's beautiful, isn't it? So this is a 55 by 73 full round drill. But before we open up the box, a couple of things I'm going to point out. First, if you're new to the Diamond Art Club, you're going to notice on the back of the box there's 9 steps to diamond painting here. And you'll notice on the bottom that there are also some helpful tips while you're doing your project. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. So every kit should always have 3 items. Your drills, your canvas, your toolkit, and Diamond Art Club always includes something a little bit extra. So what they've been starting to do with their newer kits is include this really nice schematic and also the thumbnail to the painting in sticker form. So if you want to cut these up and put them on your storage container system, or if you use Ziploc bags, they're perfect. So again, this is what the picture is going to look like once it's completed. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so we're going to put that off to the side. And then we're going to move these off to the side. And let's take a look at the toolkit. So Diamond Art Club toolkit will indicate either if it's a round or a square. This is a round drill, so this is a round toolkit. The toolkit will include a single placer pin with a comfort grip, a clear tray with a spout, a handful of Ziploc bags, and 2 plates of heart-shaped wax, and they will also include a multi-placer. So let's look at this canvas. We'll go over that in a minute. So if you're new to diamond painting, welcome to the community. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be rolling this canvas the opposite direction so I can straighten this out. Now we can do this with this type of canvas because it's poured glue. If this was double-sided adhesive, I would not recommend doing this, but because it is poured glue, you would want to take up the sides, flip it up like you're going to roll it the opposite direction, because that's what you're going to be doing. Oops, I should actually have it like, no, I got it right, sorry. And then you're just going to go ahead and do this. And then what I do is I hold this down for about 30 seconds, and then that way it helps smooth out this canvas so that it will be nice and straight, and we can take a look at the drill field and the schematic. So let's take a look. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Now I know you guys are seeing it sideways, so I'm just going to bring my table out a little bit, and then I'm going to show you this beautiful painting. Look at this painting. Isn't that, I'm sorry for the glare, but isn't that gorgeous? Look at that face. It is beautiful. Wow. Okay. Sorry. I really wanted to purchase this when it first came out, and by the time that I was able to go on the website to purchase it, it had already sold out. And I was like, oh no. So, wow, that is beautiful. Okay, so I'm just gonna move my table up a little bit. Let's go ahead and show you the clarity of the drill field and the schematic. I'm gonna just pull that down a little bit. And then there you go. So the drill field is very, very clear. And then here is the schematic, also very clear. And then we're just going to test how tacky it is. Very tacky. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Looks like we're going to have a lot of color blocking in this painting, which is a good thing. Wow, I just can't stop looking at it. Okay, before we get into the drills, I'm just going to show you this pamphlet that comes with the kit. This pamphlet will go over a quick message from the owner and founder, Angie. Also, it will cover the 9 steps of diamond painting again here in the center. And it'll also give you a coupon code for your next purchase. So it's really nice pamphlet that they send out. I still can't get over this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, enough. I'm gonna sit down. Wow, I'm sorry. Okay, so we're just gonna flip this over and we're going to take a look at the drills real quick. So it looks like we're going to have a lot of white with this painting. So let's see what we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So we have 8 bags of 5,200. And then there's 2 bags of 310, 2 bags of 762, 415, 984, 3371, 3771, 3064, 3853, 3776. Ooh, hitchhiker. 754, 898, 3772, 998, 3860, and 301. But look at that. There's a perfectly safe drill right in the center there. It's not scrunched. Savable. All right, so we're gonna move these off to the side. Let's go over these real quick. So we have 400 here, 318, 779, 3861, 3826, 300. Here's our first AB, 141, 414, 317, 312, 3799, 869, 939, 413. Ooh, that's pretty. 336, 322, 823, 3778, 3814, and 991. everyone, I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera for a brief moment so that we can take a look at this canvas again before we close. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, we're back, and again, this is Leopard watercolor. This is a 55 by 73 full round drill with AB accent. When I paused the camera, I looked to see where the ABs were going to go, and it looks like it's going to be around the muzzle or the nose here, around the eyes here and here, and then throughout part of the body here. So lots of ABs are going to be spread out. Anyway, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it that thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, I'm totally okay with that. But if you could be so kind as to go down to the comments below and let me know what you didn't like about the video. That way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. But don't forget to hit the bell, which is right next to the subscribe button. That way you'll be indicated when I've uploaded my next video. By saying that, everyone, if it's morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very restful evening. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.